Senior citizens need to be taken care of. In their silver years, their health needs to be protected, which is why insurance regulator IRDA tried to put their agony of not getting an insurance cover to rest by directing insurance companies to provide health cover till the age of 65. But insurance companies and their unscrupulous agents are flouting the rules with impunity. Neha Bothra goes undercover to expose this shocking truth.
They may not be able to escape health ailments at this stage of their lives, but unfortunately in our country, they also perhaps cannot escape worries about health expenses. On the 25th of May 2009, the insurance regulator attempted to add some sheen to senior citizens' silver years. 1st July onwards, IRDA mandated health insurance to be sold to senior citizens up to at least 65 years of age, as against 60 earlier. So beware when mystery shopping and discovered that nearly 6 months later, very little seems to have changed on ground.
25 years आपको मिनिमम आपकी एज होनी चाहिए जब आप पॉलिसी लेते हैं, ओके, एंड मैक्सिमम एज इज 55.
तो अगर मुझे फिर कोई सेपरेटली मेरे ग्रैंड मदर के लिए लेना हो जिनका एज 62 है,
ओके, 62 एज इज नॉट कवर्ड क्योंकि उसके बाद किसी का भी कुछ एकदम से नहीं, जो चलते आ रहा है फिर वही एक चल सकता है और कुछ भी नहीं, ऐसा है.
तो 62 में क्यों नहीं देते हैं पॉलिसी?
कि उसके बाद कोई सामने वाले तरीके के साथ एकदम से कुछ हो जाने वाला है वो नहीं बता सकते ना. उनका 62 के बाद आप नहीं, आप किसी को बोल सकते कि ये आज है तो कल नहीं रहेंगे.
So there's no option. और मोस्ट कंपनी 60 तक ही रखते हैं क्या?
हाँ, ज्यादातर
क्या
अप्रोक्सीमेटली हर एक कंपनी का एज लिमिट लास्ट 60 ही रहता है, क्योंकि 60 के बाद ज्यादातर डिक्लाइन कर देते हैं, क्योंकि वो 50 या 60 के बाद मतलब कि ज़्यादातर बीमार लोग रहते हैं, तो बार बार लोग आएंगे हॉस्पिटल में जाएंगे, कंपनी का लॉस कर देंगे, फिर इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं पॉलिसी ना कर देते.
किस ग्राउंड पे रिजेक्ट करते हैं?
क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ वो निकाल देते हैं कि यूरिन टेस्ट में ऐसा हो रहा है, प्लस पॉइंट आ रहा है, या ब्लड टेस्ट में कुछ आ रहा है, तो बता देते कि हीमोग्लोबिन का वो प्लस पॉइंट आ रहा है, ये कम है वो कम है, निकाल देते हैं. खाली अपना मेडिकल का खर्चा जाता है. मेडिकल भी अपना अगर देखिए आसपास हो जाता है 800, क्योंकि ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए अभी 150 रुपये लगते हैं, यूरिन टेस्ट के लिए 150, 300 वहीं से चले जाते हैं, फिर इसी के लिए 300-400 रुपये लगते हैं. फिर वो सब करा के अपन फाइल लॉग इन कर देंगे, फिर डिक्लाइन हो जाएगा तो फिर बेकार हो जाता है. तो इसके लिए अपन पहले ही क्या करते हैं 60 के मतलब कि ज़्यादातर डिक्लाइन ही कर देते हैं, मतलब कि हम लोग भी लेके नहीं जाते, क्योंकि उसमें रेवेन्यू ओनली 3% देता है कंपनी के लिए. तो 3% के लिए इतना भागदौड़ और बहुत है.
Not only were the agents unwilling to give the cover, they also asked us to be cautious of any product in the market that claims to provide health cover beyond the age of 60.
पहले अपन बोल देते कि देखो 60 का ज्यादातर होता नहीं है, जैसे कि अगर समझो आपका लग बाई चांस हो गया तो हो जाएगा.
बहुत ही कम कंपनियां हैं जो फिर ऐसी जो फेक कंपनी मतलब जो है फिर वो करेगी ना, ऐसा कोई एकदम फेक कंपनी जो होंगी वो करेगी.
तो जैसे आप जो फेक कंपनीज का बता रहे थे, वो लोग एक्चुअली करते क्या हैं?
वो आपको सारी पॉलिसीज बताएंगे, सिर्फ एक पावर क्या होती है, कन्विंसिंग पावर.
या फिर बाकी कंपनीज अगर कहती हुई है तो ऐसे ही मतलब.
हाँ, तो आपको और क्या एक्सप्लेन चाहिए उसमें? नहीं कहती मतलब नहीं होता होगा तब, मतलब अगर उनको सिर्फ अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाने का है तो वो आपको कन्विंस करने के लिए तो कुछ भी बोल सकती है ना. और अगर आपको उसका रिइंबर्समेंट नहीं मिला तो फिर आप क्या करेंगे? आप कहाँ जाएंगे?
And then came a bigger shock. Realizing that we are keen on a health cover for a senior citizen, we were advised by the agents to resort to unfair means.
But at 62, how many people would be in perfect health?
See, there are reports that will be one reports. What reports will use reports? Suppose I will be uninsured since you don't like it. Some kind of dishonesty, some kind of manipulation is bad. You have to tell them that I was a percentage that please show the report number. They will
Furthermore, the guidelines put forth by IRDA stipulate insurance companies to clarify in writing the reasons for declining health insurance to senior citizens. Once again, the story on ground is different.
So how is it communicated to the person who spent money getting the ECG test done?
No, the check and the conversation back
To the customer?
to the customer.
With a written explanation?
No, everyone's going to do. Companies are planning to give recognition. They just say this to everything.
But the IRDA rule says that any company which is rejecting a health policy to a senior citizen needs to give it in writing with valid reasons.
How do you demonstrate? How do you demonstrate?
Experts agree that general insurance companies are not following IRDA's directive.
People resort to non-price practices. One among them is using dilatory or blatantly discriminatory tactics for people who are above 45 years of age. What's to talk of senior citizens of 55 or above 60 years of age. And I think there is a clear flouting on the ground of IRDA regulations. I think as people age, the claims ratios will rise, and therefore it's very obvious that as you age, your premiums will go up and will go up dramatically. Now there is another IRDA regulations which says that from year to year your premium rise cannot be more than 75% of the premium in the previous slab. Maybe that needs to be relooked at. Not that that is also being followed scrupulously.
As on January 2009, the Indian health insurance industry is worth nearly 5,125 crore rupees. Health costs are steadily increasing and total expenditure on health in India is nearly 6% of the GDP. Interestingly, according to Asia Insurance Review, the number of people above 60 years is about 8%, and this number is set to increase to 21% by 2025. Industry players maintain that over time, companies will implement the directive more closely.
The companies are working in that directions, and we are trying to insurance sector is trying to come out with the product with a proper pricing. The result will take time, so we should not worry if our direction is right. Initially, if any movement is there, there are bound to be resistance and hurdles, but I am sure that insurance industry along with the regulator and government and the environment will develop it.
So beware if an insurance agent or the company is refusing you a health cover at 60 years of age or above. You can now rightfully question their denial, and we hope IRDA takes note of this grim reality and does something about it.